All right. So for people that have already purchased Benjamin or Hamilton and want to just run one at a time, you're able to switch between the two without having to purchase anything extra. So if you have a Benjamin account and want to use your Hamilton account, you'll go ahead and just switch the validation, like your account information in the Benjamin Services tab where you see it on the left-hand side. Go further down, Cameron, where it says Benjamin MT4/MT5 account.
Click this.
Yeah. It says Benjamin MT4/MT5, but this is where you'll switch in between accounts, even if you're using Hamilton too. You can use one or the other. If you want to be able to use both at one time, at the same time, you'll have to go to the Purchase Services tab and you'll buy the extra AI. It says Benjamin Extra AI. However, this is extra AI for even if you're running Benjamin already and you want to run Hamilton as well at the same time, you would purchase this extra AI for $70 a month. And if you purchase that package, you'll then see on the services tab that we were just at, you'll see not only Benjamin MT4, MT5, you'll see another option on the left-hand side so you can enter both of your licenses at once. So that will be something that will pop up if you purchase the extra AI. So the next step, what we'll want to do is go ahead and get you onto your VPS. So Cameron, go ahead and go to your
So
VPS.
I'm just switching over from using Benjamin without purchasing the extra licensing. I'm just switching over to Hamilton.
Yes.
Okay.
And you won't have to purchase anything extra to do that. You'll just have to enter your new information for your Hamilton account in this section right here.
So anyone that's running Benjamin also has the capability to run just Hamilton, but they have to switch over to Hamilton.
Correct. And the same goes for people that bought Hamilton only, but they want to try out Benjamin. They can switch between the two. But you just will not be able to use them both running at the same time unless you buy the extra AI, which is $70 extra per month.
Yep. Okay, sounds good. So what do I need to do?
So we'll go ahead and go to your VPS. Go ahead and copy the direct download link from Silverstar Live for Hamilton. First, go ahead and copy that. That should be in your email.
This link?
Yeah, that link. Just go ahead and right click and copy or
Oh no, Josh. Okay. And then back office?
Yes, go ahead and go to your VPS.
Continue. Okay.
You can go ahead and close out of that.
Close the whole thing?
No. Close out of just the chart. So on the top right. Or just the MT4 terminal right there. Okay, now go ahead and open up Google Chrome.
Boom, boom.
And go ahead and enter the link in there and push enter. And now it will download in the bottom left-hand corner. And what you're going to want to do is move the window over a bit so you can drag that onto the desktop. You're just going to drag it onto the desktop. Yeah.
Just like that. Bang.
Perfect. Now you have the direct download or the file for Hamilton on your VPS. The next, you want to go ahead and keep that open, and we're going to get you set up with a Hugo's Way account, which is one of the recommended brokers for Hamilton.
Okay, should I do it on the VPS or?
Yes, on the VPS.
Okay.
You guys can use other brokers as well. I know most brokers are supported. Brokers that are located in So just do your research before that. I know Hugo's Way is one of the recommended brokers, however, so we're going to use that. Go ahead and click download MT4. We're going to download the Hugo's Way MT4 platform on your VPS.
Okay. Clicked it. And do I bring it over to the desktop as well?
No, you go ahead and just open that up.
Okay.
And yeah, go ahead and run that.
Run it.
Next.
Quite the diverse group right there. Everyone trades for Hugo's Way.
And go ahead and click finish.
Wow, I'm so excited to get this running.
And go ahead and we'll set you up with a, do you want to get set up with a demo right now, or do you want to get set up with a live?
We'll just do a demo for right now, just so we don't have to go through the steps.
I think that's the best option right now too, since with a live account, you'll have to do the verification and everything, and we can skip that step.
I'll do that.
Demo. Yeah, so go ahead and click sign up.
Right here?
Yeah.
Boom. Oh, okay, so Hugo's Way just came right here.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
So now you have that downloaded on your VPS, and we'll go ahead and sign you up with a Hugo's Way account.
Don't know how to spell my own name. Okay. There we go. Oh, my password's great. Perfect. Account verification, email.
Okay.
So now I need to go to my email.
Yes.
Excuse the amount of emails you guys are about to see. Let's just move past that. This is my junk email.
7,000.
407.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Complete sign up. Boom. Yeah. And do you think I can close out of this, or should I go back over to the VPS?
No, go ahead and finish that information.
Now you guys know where I live, so I'm trusting with that information. You can send me a present. Send me presents. I like books. If you guys want to send me anything, but 3750 Southwest. Okay. Create your account.
Okay, now go ahead and go back to your, actually we can do it right here, or it doesn't matter where we can log in either way. If you want to do it on your VPS, just go ahead and click log in. Yeah.
Boom, here we go.
Okay, now we're going to go ahead and create a demo account. So if you go ahead and go to My Accounts, it should allow you to create an account.
Right here?
Yeah. Go ahead and choose demo. Leverage 500. For Hamilton, the higher leverage, the better. So if the broker that you're using allows 1 to 1,000, go ahead and choose that. This one, 1 to 500 is the highest leverage. So we'll go ahead and start with that. Yeah, $500 is a good starting amount. And okay, so you should have got an email with the account information for that demo.
Boom. Okay.
Awesome. And go ahead and copy the account number. And let's go back to your VPS and we'll log in to that demo account on your Hugo's Way platform that we just downloaded to the VPS.
Okay.
It's a demo account. Yeah, so you'll go ahead and choose demo. Once you have a live account, you'll go ahead and choose the real. And since you have an existing trade account, go ahead and check existing trade account and enter in that login. And you'll have to go back and copy that password. And go ahead and log in, click finish.
Ba-ding!
Okay, so now you are logged into that demo account. You can see your name in the navigator. The next step, let's go ahead and get the Hamilton download file into this platform. So if you want to minimize this and go ahead and right click and copy Hamilton from the VPS. If you just drag it out of the way, you should be able to see your desktop. If you right click on Hamilton and click copy. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, then copy and then go to file on the MT4 platform, open data folder.
Can I make this a big screen again?
Yes. The open data folder is actually behind you now if you want to click on that. And then go ahead and go to MQL4, experts. And you're going to go ahead and paste Hamilton right here. Perfect. So now it's in your experts folder. You can go ahead and exit out of this. And you can go ahead and make this a big screen again. Now you're going to want to refresh your expert advisors. So on the navigator on the top, in the navigator, go ahead and click expert advisors to open that up. And then you're going to right click and refresh.
On expert advisors, right click.
Yeah. And then go ahead and refresh and Hamilton should pop up.
Boom.
Great. Perfect. And now Hamilton only runs on 2 pairs. So you're going to want to exit out of all pairs and open up Euro USD and AUD USD. And if you want to close out of the sell and buy, you can click that arrow and it'll close out of that also. Yeah, those 4 charts that he just clicked, they're going to organize your charts. Cam, if you want to get rid of that sell buy pop-up, you can click the arrow and that'll go. Okay. And these Hamilton also runs on the 5-minute charts. So you want to go ahead and change each chart time frame to 5 minutes. And by that, you can right-click on the chart.
Just right anywhere?
Yeah. And go down to time frames and go over to 5 minutes.
Okay, so it changes it to M5.
Yes.
And over here too?
Yeah, same thing.
Okay.
Perfect. And now what we can go ahead and do is drag Hamilton from the navigator tab on the left-hand side. So we actually have to manually put Hamilton onto each chart. The Benjamin, it was already set up for you guys on the charts. For Hamilton, we're going to have to put it on the charts manually, and this is how you
Just
do it.
follow these steps exactly.
Yeah. So go ahead and go over to Common. Go ahead and click Allow Live Trading, and you can go ahead and check those boxes on the right as well.
Allow DLL imports.
Yeah.
And allow modification of signals settings.
And go ahead and go to Inputs. This is where you can change the settings. The recommended settings for this week are what is already on here, except if you scroll down a bit, the close all after level is 11 instead of 10. Quicksilver and Silver Star will be sending out emails before each trading week to let you guys know what the recommended settings for Benjamin and Hamilton will be.
And in case we're still using this setup recording, we might not be called Silver Star when we're still using this. We're going to be called AI Global Markets. So,
okay.
So that you that are watching this, if you get confused because Ryan said Silver Star, we're moving to AI Global Markets. So now do I hit OK?
Yeah, go ahead and click OK. And you should get an error message that pops up just like that. And go ahead and click OK, and go ahead and drag over Hamilton first onto AUD USD as well.
Oh, so there's a little frowny face here. That
Yeah.
mean I'm not running or something?
Yeah, that means you're not completely set up and validated yet. We still have to, now once we're done getting your chart set up, we have to put your account information in the Silver Star back office to switch you from your Benjamin account over to this as well.
Okay. God, this is so exciting. You said 11, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And another error message should pop up. And go ahead and click OK, and then go to the Experts tab at the bottom. And do you see right there where it shows that URL that popped up in the error message? Go ahead and copy that. And what I like to do is just go over to the windows in the bottom left and open up a notepad. The notepad's in the bottom in your closed tabs if you want to open it up. And go ahead and paste it in there. And then you're going to want to just copy the URL out of there. Perfect. Go ahead and copy that, and then you can exit out of your notepad. I don't think, did you copy it? I think. Okay, perfect. And now where you're going to go ahead and enter that URL is you're going to go to Tools, Options, go ahead and go to Expert Advisors. And you're going to go ahead and check all those boxes except for the fourth box down.
This one?
You're going to check that one and the one below. Not that one.
Not this one, okay.
And you're going to enter in that URL that you just copied in there. Also, you'll want to go ahead and go to the Events tab. Up a bit, yeah. And then you're going to uncheck that box.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Enable.
And then you can go ahead and click OK.
Okay, I didn't mean to click signals. Okay.
Okay, great. So should be all up and running. You do see
smiley faces
face now. It does say still invalid account. invalid account number because we haven't entered in your account information to the SilverStar back office. So,
So we gotta link this Hamilton license to my subscription.
yes, to validate it. To basically, you're switching from your Benjamin account that you already had validated to this one. Like like you said, there's no extra charge for switching in between the two. But if you do want to run them both at the same time, you will have to get the extra AI. You do not have to purchase the second software right out. You don't have to pay the $200 then $145 a month again for the second software that you're getting. You just have to pay the extra AI license fee. That goes both ways, whether you started from Benjamin first or Hamilton.
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and go to your SilverStar, or go ahead and copy the account number from the email. And we can do this on your other desktop. Yeah, if you want to
Copy what?
copy the account number, and we'll go ahead and go to your SilverStar back office. It was right there. Yeah, you were on it. And now we're going to go ahead and change the name of the broker to Hugo's Way.
Is that right?
Yeah, and this will be.
I know if you sometimes put in a capital where there shouldn't be a capital, it can mess it up.
Yeah, that's how it should be. You're good. And then it should be www.hugosway.com. And
Just like
you can
that?
go ahead and enter. Yeah, you can go ahead and enter in your account number there. And then you'll go ahead and grab your password as well. And you'll go ahead and choose go ahead and choose demo and leverage. You'll just keep it at 1 to 200. They haven't entered the option to 1 to 500 yet, but it doesn't make a difference. So go ahead and save that information. So at the time we're making this video, there is some authentication issues that are still being worked on for Hamilton. So it still might say invalid account on Cameron's charts when we go back and look at them, but this is being fixed right now, and all the process that we just went through is every step that you'll need to go through in order to get your charts up and running correctly.
Okay, awesome.
So we'll go ahead and go back to the VPS and look at the charts just to see if anything changed. You can exit out of that. And let's go ahead and let's exit out of both of the charts and try opening them up again just to see if anything refreshes. If not, it just, like I said, they're working on an issue right now. But everything that we've done so far is the correct steps to get you all up and running. Go ahead and drag Hamilton back onto the charts. Go ahead and click, make sure allow. Okay, yeah, you're good. Go ahead and click that and then click OK.
I have to do this for both?
Yes.
Okay. And anytime I close out of this, right, I'm going to have to redo this?
Yes.
Okay.
It is not automatically put in there like Benjamin right now. It's one of the reasons for this is because a lot of people are going to be using different brokers with Hamilton, so they're going to have to download the broker and do all of that themselves. I'm not sure if this is going to be set up in the future where it's automatic.
So AUD USD it doesn't say invalid charts, or it doesn't say running.
Yes.
Or USD does say invalid charts.
Yeah, so what I think the AUD US, this is what's happening with my account right now as well, and this is just because the authentication stuff that they're working on. My AUD chart says this, and I actually did receive some trades with it not saying running. So I think that it might not need to say running. It just So this chart looks like it's good to go. However, the same issue is happening with my Euro USD chart. It's saying invalid when it shouldn't say invalid. So that's being worked on. You will want to change the time frame back to 5 minutes on each chart as well.
Oh, okay.
And if you go ahead and you're on the experts tab, if you scroll down just a little bit, you should see that the AUD USD chart is actually up and running, right? If you see right there, if you scroll up a bit, a little bit more, right there, one more up. You'll see it says running and then it says initialized. And so AUD USD is up and running. We just need to wait for Euro USD. So just be patient with that, and we'll make sure the charts are up and running for you soon.
Okay, cool beans. Well, is that it?
Yeah, that's it. All the steps that we just went through is everything that you need to do to make sure everything is set up correctly.
Okay, and if you guys have any questions, you can contact myself or Ryan. My first and last name is Cameron Kirkar, Kerkar, and Ryan is RyanBickel, right?
Yes, yeah, you got it.
And contact us on Facebook or Instagram, and we can help you. Answer any questions or go from there. Otherwise, stay tuned, stay plugged in on the Telegram announcements page and on the Market Hackers official page. We'll be announcing information through there.